he worked in a transport company, and like I said, what my mom did, my father was very much involved in sacrificing things so that we can have our life. But my father always since day one has been a fan of Test cricket. Doesn't like this new age cricket, and the day I still remember the day I scored 264 in ODI. He was like, okay, well played, but there was no such excitement from him. He supported the God and all of that. But even if I used to get good 30s or a 40s or a 50s or a 60s in Test cricket, he used to talk to me about it in detail. So that's the kind of love he had for the game, and he's obviously seen, how you go up the ranks. You play age group cricket, you play, then you pass on to under 19, and then you go to Ranji trophies, League trophies, Irani trophies, India A, and I've done all of that. So he has seen my journey through that, and through this I have made it to the Indian team, playing red ball cricket, not so much of white ball cricket, but that's how you used to get picked back in the day. You do well in red ball cricket and you find yourself first in ODI cricket and then into Test cricket. Now it's a different story, but back in the day it was like that. So my father has seen me playing a lot of cricket with red ball, obviously. So he appreciates red ball cricket a lot, and then obviously was a little disappointed when I announced the retirement, but was happy as well at the same time. But that's my father, and has obviously played a huge role in wherever I am today. Without their help, it never would have been possible.